cure the hiccups. Take a Q-tip, rub it on the top of your mouth, back and forth on the top, as far back as you can. There you go. That's how you stop the hiccups. Nice. Doesn't take long, does it? If you're out and about and you don't have a Q-tip, just use a straw. Works pretty good too. Worst case scenario, try using your tongue. It's a little tough with your tongue, but if you got nothing else, it's worth a shot. Now you know. This cure really works. I don't know about all that sugar and drinking water from the cup on the opposite side. That stuff doesn't work. Q-tip works.